Alright everyone, here we are with ticker symbol ZOM, Zomedica Corp. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. I know you guys are looking for the chart analysis, especially if you're a first time viewer and investor. You're just looking for the chart analysis. You're just looking for the information on Zomedica, and that's all you care about. And I can't blame you for that. I can't, because if I'm doing my research, I would do the same, but you're not really looking at the bigger picture, because when I tell you guys I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys towards the end of the video, I really do have a ticker symbol you won't want to miss, as well as I get to talk to you guys about the home runs, or also the stocks that we brief on in the morning, how they did, how well it went. We're usually looking for 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus on a home run. And we hit a home run today. Now, some of them happen faster than others. Some of them take minutes. Some of them take hours to happen, but they happen, right? That's our goal. We look for those opportunities. We execute. So if that's something that interests you, we're 130 plus members already. You're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below, and the slots are filling up pretty quickly, guys, to the Discord. You can go ahead and click on it to gain access and see what the tiers offer. So ZOM Stock, Zomedica Corp, what a day, guys. So hit a high here, right, of 130, barely at 129, and it just got rejected. It kept fighting for it at the beginning of the day, and it just got pulled and crushed down, guys. So there's two ways to look at it, right? If we zoom out here, Zomedica is cooling off, right? That's one way to look at it. From such a run, cooling off, maybe a little consolidation, and then starting a staircase effect again. That's a great optimistic outlook and hopeful outlook, right? And that's how a bull really wants to look at it. But me personally, the 50-day moving average is catching up really fast to the stock. And number two, this is getting really close to $1, guys. I've told you plenty of times how important it is for Zomedica, ZOM stock, to stay above $1. If it can't do that, ZOM stock is going to have weakness, okay? It's a nice run, but the bulls need to push further. They certainly broke through yesterday's resistance level, but they could not hold up, at least consolidate up here, right? What a pullback. It's even back below it. So let's go ahead and look at this. So here we are. Highest point is 129. If you want to round it up to 130, you can. That needs to be broken through for this to see newer highs, new resistance levels, and continue the momentum significantly. But our support and resistance are down here, and the 50-day moving average is literally close to the support, and that's 107, guys. So our 50-day moving average and support are exactly to the T, to the hundreds or thousands place off just by a little bit. But at the end of the day, it's 107. If 107 gets crossed, this could be down to newer lows, newer support levels, and getting further into bearish territory. So it's going to be important, right, as investors, to watch this carefully. Now, the next support would be anywhere up here, but I personally wouldn't even use 94 cents. It would be literally $1. And this is smack middle right here. This is informal. There's no support really here, but I like really looking at it as a support, especially if we're above it and we're getting closer to it, because $1 is probably the most important point right now for the bulls to at least stay above. The bears can come and pull down and up, pull down and up, but the bulls need to stay above $1, guys. They cannot allow this stock to go below it, because there will be real weakness, and that real weakness is going to show in the charts. Now, what's our resistance? Well, this is the highest point before the fall, and that's 115. If that gets broken through, that's one step closer to newer highs, but a true resistance is 129, but you can still use 115 as an indicator to see that the stock is actually building momentum and pulling further away from the 50-day moving average. Now, if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. It helps out the YouTube channel, and it lets me know you appreciate the time and effort that I put into making these videos. ZOM stock is one that definitely needs to stay above $1. But let's jump right into the stock that we talked about this morning. We hit a home run, 20% plus on the day, and just within minutes gave us anywhere around 5 to 15% plus in just 30 minutes to almost an hour starting off the day. And I'm going to share with you guys the ticker symbol you won't want to miss. If it's something that interests you, the links are down below. Tiers are filling up pretty quickly, and we look forward to having you join us. So the ticker symbol I have for you guys today is one that is going to compete in the future with the largest company in its sector, guys. So this is a big deal, this company. Now, this company has a lot to do and prove, but you want to pay attention to this stock as it's dipping, guys. So we're going to talk about that in just a moment. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run of the day as we see it here, ALDX. This is the stock we briefed on this morning over at the Discord. We're 130 plus members already. Tiers are filling up pretty quickly. And if it's something that interests you, you're more than welcome to join us. Collectively, we are all smart, intelligent investors over at the Patreon and Discord, looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses, guys, through the volatility of the market. So if that's something you want to become part of, we look forward to having you join us, and you can join us over at the Discord. The links are down below. So here we are. ALDX. When did I talk about it? Where was it at? ALDX was at 13.45 when I spoke about it. I talked about GMBL, and it only really gave us around 3% to 5% after dipping and jumping a little bit. But this was the home run of the day. As you could see it, another one of the members was excited, putting rocket ships ready for ALDX. I guess they saw the opportunity I was seeing in the charts. And if you pull up your indicators and you pay close attention to volume and everything that's going on, you should be quite successful with your stop losses on these opportunities. So this one was sitting at 13.45 when I mentioned it, ran up to 13.73, giving us just a slight little jump of a few percent, and it pulled back hard, guys. So towards the bell is when you want to watch these stocks to see if they lose momentum or if they start gaining traction, right? Whether it lasts all day or it lasts a few hours or a few minutes. So this stock dipped, right, to 12.80, guys. And from that point forward, it took off and it hit a high of 13.95 and then another high of 14.43. So between these two, 5 to 15% plus happened in just a matter of minutes, guys. So we look for 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus, as I call it, is a home run, guys. If you would have just stuck through the whole volatility, this was a 20% plus gainer. But just from here to here in a matter of 30 minutes to an hour, you had the opportunity to go ahead and have a nice 15 to 20% gainer in just the beginning of the day, guys. Giving you time to go ahead and research other stocks, look at other things you're looking at. And that's what we try to do here, guys. Get in, get out, look for your 5 to 10% on a good day. Great day, 10 to 15 and 20%, and 20% plus is a home run, guys. So this was the home run of the day. This went up to a high of 40% on the whole entire day. And just in a matter of 30 minutes to an hour, it gave us 5 to 15% plus, reaching almost 20%, guys. It was a great start to the day, even though the market was red and turbulent, guys. This is how the day started. You can see it here, how it just collapsed, guys. It collapsed. While the stock market was falling, we were paying attention to the opportunities that were rising. So if this is something that interests you, the tiers are filling up quickly. We look forward to having you join us, and let's talk about the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list. So here we are, CCIV, guys. This stock collapsed, right? It was starting off the day way up here at $25 almost, then 24, and it just fell to a low of $22.53, came back up, fell back down, sitting at $22 and some change. Now, when we go ahead and zoom out and look at this from the bigger picture, the most recent low was down here at $17. So the closer this gets to 20 and even $17, the more interesting it's going to get, because this stock, like I said, it's the biggest competitor to one of the biggest in its industry and sector, and that's going to be Tesla. This is Tesla's competitor in the US market, guys. So CCIV has a lot to prove and a lot to work on, but they're going to be competing, and at some point they will get their market share, their piece of the pie. Now, that's what articles are showing. That's what analysis ratings are saying. So I advise you to do your due diligence, do your research to understand this stock a little bit better. But this is definitely a stock, if you don't have it on your watch list, that you want to add it and keep a close eye on it on every single dip, guys. Not when it's running, but when it's falling. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.